Hi guys, welcome to my channel. You are trying to install the chipset drive, but you are getting issues. So no worry about it. I'll show you how to install. So first, uninstall the chipset device software any in your system. Install. Okay, click to start, and then click to setting. After that, click on app. Then click to install app, and then you can search only chipset. It is no one showing that because of I already installed. So if any showing here, so just click on three dot. Okay, then I show you like click on three dot. Oh, like click on three dot and then click to uninstall it. Okay, and then close. Then try to install the driver. Open any browser. So you can type the model number of your laptop, your manufacturing, and after that type chipset driver like HP laptop chipset driver. Okay, then first link, this is the official website, so click on it, then scroll down. If you don't know the your model number, and if you're not getting any driver chipset driver of your laptop, you just comment me your laptop, your graphic card, or your motherboard model number in the comment. I will create new video on this. Okay, yeah, so you can type HP. Okay, any, scroll down, then select your operating system, submit, scroll down, then find out chipset, extract, scroll down, so this is chipset driver, and click to download. After that it will start the downloading. Then it is completed. Single click to open file, then click to next, and then accept, then next, next. Now this is upgrade, install, next, accept, accept. Now it is installing. Now it is successfully install it, and then click to finish it. Thank you guys. Then restart and then please check it. Okay, please comment me if you are not getting any laptop and desktop chipset driver.